Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Google Calendar private. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar web app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Calendar? It's pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into your customized homepage. Yes, provided that your Google account is already set up in your PC. Creating an account for Google Calendar is pretty much automatic, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So now that we're in this homepage, let's quickly hop into today's task. It's going to be fun, which is how to make Google Calendar private if you're a private person just like me. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the settings wheel. Click on that and you have an extended menu, which includes settings, trash, density, and color, print, and get add-ons. Go ahead and click on settings, and that takes you over here. Head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of options, which include language and region, time zone, you have word clock, event settings, notification settings, view options, events from Gmail, all the way down to Amy Calendar. So if you want to make Google Calendar private, go ahead and select the calendar of your choice. So let's say this is the calendar that I want. I'm just going to click on that calendar. If you're clicking on that calendar, that's 3 Amanda Mac. I have Amy Calendar, but then I'm just going to use 3 Amanda Mark. And then you have the calendar settings already open. Now scroll all the way down to where you have access permissions for events. Now this checkbox, if you check this box, it means you want to make this calendar public. Means making your calendar public will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. Are you sure? You can say okay, and this is already made public. You can even head over here to manage the permissions. You can say it's public, so the public can either see only free/busy schedules or can see all events. But if you want to make it private, ensure that you toggle this box off. Look, it is not a toggle, this is a check rather. So check this box, uncheck the box. So once you uncheck the box, you see it's empty. That means it is private. Only you can see your calendar. But if you check the box, it means it's public. Uncheck the box and it is private. That's pretty much the process. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.